What is up, guys? Welcome back to Denmark. I'm here in the capital of Copenhagen, and I'm super excited to be back here. I love the city. This is my first time back in 2.5 years, so very excited to be back because it's long overdue. Here's a tour of my place. Here's the door, closet. There's a sink out here, which I actually kind of like instead of having in here. This is the bathroom. We got a bed, desk. Pretty much just a basic room. This place for 3 nights was almost 3,000 Danish kroner, which is around 430 US dollars. So not a horrible deal because Copenhagen and Denmark in general is very expensive. So that's actually not a horrible deal for this place. So anyway, I've done enough talking. Let's go out, hit the streets, and explore around. Look at that massive church. So right now I'm walking to New Haven Harbor, so that way you guys can see it in the daytime. Well, there's lots and lots of bicycles. There's New Haven Harbor. See all the colored houses. This might be the best view from over here on this side. Look at all the birds up there. That's how you know it's a real harbor. So I got a Danish hot dog. These are some of my favorites. And this was 40 kroner, which is I think $5 or $6, something like that. So Denmark is not a cheap country by any means, but these are really good. So there's Canada's flag. That's their embassy there. I don't know what it is. I can always find Canada's embassy, but I can never find the US one. So I got some Danish hot wine, and this was 80 kroner. That's like $10. So quite expensive. And like I said, Denmark is not a cheap country, so if you're on a budget, don't come to Denmark because you'll be out of money within the first day. But looks good. I don't drink alcohol, so I'm curious what this tastes like. Here's a Christmas market during the day. See, it's not too busy, but believe me, when people get off work, and especially on the weekends, these things are full of people. I mean, so full where you can hardly like walk around because people are, you know, shoulder to shoulder, which is great. But right now it's like 3 p.m. so it's not really that many people here. Right now I'm at the top of the Danish Parliament building. This here is Parliament. So where I was just at was all the way up there. This is the Danish Parliament building, and you can actually go up there for free and get a good look over all of Copenhagen. Of course, you know you're in Denmark when you see all the bicycles. Lots and lots of bicycles, which I think is really cool.
Every time I go to my mom,
There's France's embassy. See the flag right there.
yeah, but they do have the regular ones. Oh, and we set here.
So what I just walked through was Nijhaven Harbor, right, Copenhagen's most famous attraction. So got some ice cream. They're at a ice cream shop nearby Nijhaven. That's how it's spelled, Nyhavn. So that's why I call it Nijhaven or New Haven. But I don't really know how to actually say it. It's Danish, so it's probably not the other one. By the way, this ice cream is super good. Alright guys, so the food I just got is right here, plus this water, and then this like mayonnaise sauce, I guess, for dipping. This was 217 kroner, which is like almost 31 US dollars. So, like I said, Denmark is expensive. Alright guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end the video here. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this walk around here of Copenhagen. I know I sure enjoyed it. It's so good to be back in this country. I really love Denmark. Tomorrow, I'm taking the train to a different place in Denmark, so stay tuned for that video.